Welcome back to Sharebility Uganda EduTech, your #1 channel for high-quality P.7 revision resources and past papers. Today we're diving into the NERDS examination series P.7 Examinations 2024 Set 8 Mathematics. This powerful mock paper is designed to help you sharpen your problem-solving skills, master key PLE topics, and build the confidence you need to excel in your final exams. Grab your notebook, pen, and calculator. Watch carefully, pause the video after each question, try solving it on your own, write down your workings step by step, and then continue to see the explanation. This active practice method is the best way to prepare effectively and score highly in mathematics. Let's get started. Good luck, and let's do this. And that brings us to the end of the NERDS examination series P.7 Examinations 2024 Set 8 Mathematics. Great job working through this mock paper. Keep practicing these high-standard questions to stay ahead for your PLE. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment your score or any tough question below, and share it with a friend who needs it. Subscribe to Sharebility Uganda EduTech and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest P.7 mock papers, solutions, and revision videos across all subjects. More sets and series coming your way. See you in the next one.